Okay, so next we're going to take this cabbage and we're going to shred it for 2 of our recipes. It's going to be served as a side dish with the mushroom and bean stuffed tortillas, as well as with the eggplant, chickpea, and couscous salad. So this is just kind of like a fresh cruciferous vegetable to be as like a side dish so that you can kind of have something crunchy in your meal, but also it's a great way to add cruciferous vegetables into your diet. It's really cheap and you get a lot out of it. So that's why I like to add cabbage to a budget meal prep. I'm gonna take my knife and just cut this in half. This is why I like having a big chef's knife, because look how quickly I can chop through something like a giant head of cabbage. Okay, now this part of the cabbage right here is really hard and you don't want to eat that part. So I'm just going to make a little incision and cut that out. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into quarters first. And at a diagonal, kind of cut that out of there. Okay, now with my shredder, this is genius. I love using this for cabbage because you don't have to try and chop it really small with a knife. Instead, the shredder will take care of it. So there's kind of all ways to shred this. I haven't really mastered it, but I just kind of hold the cabbage like this. Be careful not to get my fingers in there. And then I can quickly shred up cabbage like that. Woo, getting wild. Okay. Alright, so this was like $2 of cabbage, and this can feed at least like 8 meals. Look at all of that.